is Justin Wisdom Paris, and welcome back to the Great Bible Research Sections. So we can't, I can't with the
Okay, first is the land. Lupa.
Welcome back to the Great Bible. So first we're going up the lupa. We're going up like that. And then there we go.
The next.
And then there we go.
And then lupa.
And then here.
And one more.
I'll do it one more. And
Okay, and then eggshell. Eggshells. Okay, you put. Okay, and then lupa. Okay, next yung pinagbalatan ng gulay at prutas. Iput. Pinagbalatan ng prutas at gulay. Iput sa okay, lupa. Yung dahon. Very good yun. Lupa. Yan. One more. Okay. Next, ubusin mo na to. Eggshells. Ubus mo na. Lupa. And then pinagbalatan ng gulay at prutas. Ayan. Ayan, pupunuin lang natin. Oh, enough. And then lupa. Yan. Then down. Lupa. Then gulay. Down. Yan. Then, lupa na. Lupa. Yan, punuin mo na lang yung lupa. Punuin mo na yung lupa. Yan, lupa. Punuin mo na. Yan. And then, lagyan natin ng tubig. Small lang ah. Okay, tama na yan. Dapat diniligan mo lang siya eh. Okay na yan. Okay. And then,
The con.
the end. Thank you.
And here, the end.
Thank you.
Thank you.